So I've got to put my whole workshop in storage, including a hydraulic press I'm working on. So it was originally for forging, but it's also for material analysis and die punch and those kind of things. So it does have a load cell, and it does have also a distance scale. The press is rated at 24 tons or 55,000 pounds. And I built this one so it's got auto retract on it. So when you press something, you can set how far you want it to retract, kind of for like pattern welding. So here are the pedals. So in this particular mode, on the automatic retract, you've only got a down pedal. And then as soon as you let go, it'll retract for a certain amount of time, depending on the setting. And then there's other settings where, you know, this one's down, this one's up. And depending where the pedal position's at, will determine how fast the ram moves. But on automatic retract mode, it moves as fast as possible until it hits pressure, and then it slows down. So because it's got to go in storage, I'm just going to destroy lots of old 3D prints. So I got a lot of 3D prints. So there's all these, lots of gears. I mean, these are some of my supercharger projects. In fact, most of it is. I'm not gonna squash those or that, but there's lots of big pieces of plastic. Like I think that's PETG. This is polycarbonate. That's the impeller that exploded in the supercharger, if anyone saw it. And that's what's left of a lot of it. So I'm going to just go through and destroy every single one of these. So just one last video before I run it. Those are my foot pedals. That's my shield. My main 60 frames camera. 240 frames, but it's almost out of power. The stuff to break. And while I hide behind here, I'm going to destroy some stuff. Oh yeah, safety glasses. Enjoy. So I say the coolest parts were definitely these. Is it really cool? But now I've got to drain the press, put it in storage, and I gotta clean all this mess up. Safety glasses.